Good morning, students. Welcome to your geography class. In the last class, I was discussed about the different types of vegetation found in our country. Okay? And now, in this class, I will discuss about the population growth, distribution, and density of India. You know, India is the second largest populous country in the world. That means India's position in the population next to China. The entire population of the country is composed of various human groups. That means various human racial groups. They are mainly Zoroastrian, Mongoloid, Aryan, Dravidian, etc. Mainly Caucasian, Mongolian, and Negroid type of racial group of people are found in our country. Social relations among the people have grown up as different communities and social group has been living together in the country. Because of such relation grown through mixing different communities and social groups, the vast and diverse Indian society has emerged. That means, with the population of India, we can say that it has lots of diversities, like the physical diversities. In case of population, also create lots of diversities in our country. It has been already said that India is the second largest populous country in the world. According to the census 2001, the country's population stands 1.02 crore. 102 crore according to 2001 census. This population accounts for about 16% of the world population. That means 16% of the world population is living in our country and occupies second position in the world. Population is not static. It changes from time to time. Increase or decrease of population is called change in population. India's population is also changing. It has increased by several times since the beginning by the 20th century to the beginning of the present century, that is 1901 to 2001. In year 1901, India's population was 23.84 crores, and this population rapidly increased to 102.7 crore in 2001. But do you know at present what is the population of India according to 2011? It is 130 crores population in our country. Okay? That means our population is 130 crore at present according to 2011, which is not given in your book. Okay? However, it is seen that the population of the country decreased slightly during the decade 1911 to 2021. Instead of it increased. The main cause of population increase or decrease are the rate of birth and death and migration also. Population increase when birth rate exceed the death rate. Similarly, the population also increase due to migration of population to the country concerned. Now you have got that population can change of a region by three factors. One is birth rate, other is death rate, and last one is migration. These three factors can change the population of a region. Okay? India's population is gradually increasing, especially after independence. India's population is growing fast, and therefore India has become the second largest populous country in the world. The country's economic development is getting affected as a result of more population. It is one of our problems in our country that our country's population is the second largest populous country, and due to its population, lots of problem for our socio-economic development. The present day problem like food problem, agricultural land problem, housing problem, educational problem, employment problem, and many other complex problems have emerged in our country due to increasing population. So what are the problems? These problems are very important for your exam. Due to high population growth, due to high population, what are the problems faced by our country? They are food problem, agricultural land problem, housing problem, educational problem, employment problem. Okay? It is necessary for the welfare of the country to take effective plan to check the population growth. It is very important that we have to check our high population growth. Otherwise, we will cross after 2025, we will cross #1 position China. Okay? The developing country like India will be able to achieve economic development only when its high growth of population can say. In case of the distribution of population of India, it is seen that settlements are not uniformly distributed throughout the country. That means, at present our population is near about 135 crore. This whole population is not distributed equally all over the regions. That means the whole population is not equally distributed in our country. Some regions are very high population, and some region moderate population, and some region have very thin population. Settlements are densely distributed in the certain places or regions, and hence population is high. Uttar Pradesh is the highest populous state, and Bihar is the most densely populated state in our country. Okay? Again, settlements are sparsely distributed in some other regions, and population is less there, like Rajasthan, like Arunachal Pradesh. Okay? The regions with dense settlement have high density of populations. Similarly, population density is low in regions where settlements are sparsely distributed. According to the census of 2001, the average density of population per kilometer is 324 persons. That is, on average, 324 persons of India live in per square kilometer, which is known as population density. Population distribution in India is not uniform, and hence population density also varies. Generally, the regions which have adverse environmental conditions or which are less developed in terms of economy and transportation are characterized by sparse settlements and low density of population. The dry desert region of Rajasthan in the western part of India has very low density of population due to its incongenial situation for human settlement. So, the human population distribution is very sparse over Rajasthan Thar Desert due to severe climatic condition. Similarly, snow-covered high Himalayan regions in the north and central and southern part of Western Ghat in South India support very low density of population because of their harsh physical environment. Okay? In contrary to this, the fertile plain having environment convenient transport and communication system and good opportunity for agriculture support high density of population. Now you see the northern plain region, which is known as Ganga, Indus, Ganga, Brahmaputra river valley region. The region is very densely populated because the region is very convenient for transport and communication system and good opportunities for agriculture. That is why the river valley of India include fertile Ganga Brahmaputra valley are very densely populated. So in this region, the most densely populated states like West Bengal, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Haryana, such type of states are located. In this river valley, the people can easily reap the benefit of offered spatially by the fertile plain, easy transport system, and the developed economic condition. Because of these reasons, the fertile plain of the river valley are densely populated, settled, and thereby population density has also increased. Density of population is also found to be high in the towns and cities of the country. Generally, urban regions, the population density is very high. Easy transport system, rapid industrial development, and urbanization provide more opportunities to the people, and thus the towns and cities favor high concentration of population. High concentration of population found in the urban areas, mainly city areas, because of good economic condition, industrial development, and better transport and communication system, and because of these facilities, employment facilities are available there, and because of these factors, the population density over the urban areas always high. Okay? The urban population of India was 25.7% according to 1991. In other words, 25.7% of India's population living in towns and cities, whereas remaining 74.3% of population living in rural areas. So this rural and urban population combinedly known as rural-urban composition. Okay? It is important to note that urban population in India has been rapidly increasing annually. Now the urbanization is very high rate found in our country, thereby leading to increase in the number of towns and cities. In 1981, India's urban towns and cities are 3,245 in numbers, and in 1991 this number has gone up to 3,768. It means that the urbanization of population is gradually increasing. Among these urban centers, the number of big cities with 1 million population or more is 23. 23 numbers of cities 23 numbers of cities which have more than 1 million population in India. But among these big cities, Mumbai, Kolkata, Delhi, Chennai, Hyderabad are highly populous cities in our country. Now, you see, it is clear from the table that it is very clear that Mumbai is the largest city in India in terms of population size. Which is the largest city in India? Mumbai is the largest city in our country. Kolkata, Delhi, Chennai come after Mumbai respectively. So second big city is Kolkata, third is Delhi, fourth is Chennai. On the other hand, urban population in the state of our country are also increasing, and thus the towns and cities are growing in number. For example, Assam in 1981 had 62 towns, and in 1991 this number had gone up to 87. Guwahati is the largest town in Assam. You know it, yes or not? It is the capital city of our state. As a state capital, this city has become an important center of administration and trade and commerce. So, people from different states of India have also come to the Guwahati city. According to 1991 census, the total population of Guwahati was 5.84 lakhs. Importantly, about 23.5% of the total urban population of Assam live in this Guwahati city. Okay? Now, it is noticeable in case of population distribution of the country that population also widely varies state-wise. The states which are developed in transport and communication, trade and commerce, and industries are generally densely populated. According to the census of 2001, Delhi records highest density of population among the states of India. On the average, 6,352 persons live in per square kilometer of the Delhi city. Against this, Arunachal Pradesh has the lowest population density among the Indian states, being only 13 persons per square kilometer in Arunachal Pradesh. Very less population density is found in Arunachal Pradesh. But on the basis of total population, Uttar Pradesh is the most populous state in India, with a population size of about 16.6 crore. Against this, the Union Territory of Lakshadweep has only 60,000 population, thereby being the lowest populous region in our country. So, lowest population is found in Lakshadweep and highest population found in Uttar Pradesh. Okay, it is all about your population density distribution of India. Okay, hope you have no any problem. Just in this part there are lots of figures of numbers you have to remember for your exam. So you have to read it very sincerely. Okay, so now goodbye to you, to all of you, and I will continue next about the vegetation, about the agricultural regions of India. Okay, thank you, bye bye.